So I've just given the car a bit of a wash. I washed up the whole body here and I gave it a wax finish. I just sprayed some wax and polished it a little bit, but it still didn't come out the way I wanted, so I'm thinking of trying another product. I'm thinking some type of glaze would help this body because it's got fade in some places. So the battery's gone flat while I was washing it. Now I gotta give it a jump start because I haven't started this car for a while, and the whole day today I've been trying to get it some runs, but it's just not holding enough charge just yet. I need to run it a bit longer. Okay, so that's the update today. Is just give it a bit of a wash, and I've tried a spray on wax to try and rejuvenate some of the shine. Try to get the shine on the car, but it's not really looking the way I wanted it to. So yeah, I'm gonna see if I can find something else to gloss this car up without actually spray painting it. I don't want to start spending money on it right now because I gotta fix the engine. Yeah, it's not looking too bad. I can live with it for a little while, but I definitely gotta get that. I definitely gotta get this body shining. I think I've neglected it a little bit as well because the engine hasn't been perfect. Still trying to work it out. It's got some bugs in its electronics and I just can't work it out just yet. Yeah, so if anyone has any ideas, suggestions on how to get faded paint to shine again a little bit, I'll be so appreciated. But yeah, so it's patchy. Some patches of the body are really glossy and some of them are faded. So yeah, that's what I'm working with right now. But from a distance, at a glance, it looks alright. I think these wheels have got to go. These wheels, I'm looking for some new ones just to get this car really looking nice. Anyway, see you later. The car has been sitting for a while, so I'm going to give it a jump start. Might as well just show you as well. I'll just show you what I am doing here. So I've got a jumper pack, which is basically just a battery inside, a cable, and that connects directly into there. It's already charged up, and over this side you gotta know which way to plug it up. Obviously, positive. There's a little plus symbol right about there, and also on the battery as well. There should be a little, it's hidden, it's underneath. You can't see it, but it's under there, trust me. Let's see, there it is, right in there. Positive and negative over there. So black is negative, red is positive. Connect it right there. Connect this one over here. I need two hands. There we go. Go inside the car and turn on the key. Oh, if I've got the key in my pocket. Sounding healthy, not sounding healthy at all. I'll give you a